This is my second unboxing video. We got the Showdown 3-pack here. We got Amy, Sonic again, and Metal Sonic. Let's open it up. I have to show my face.
Okay, I'm not.
Doing a face reveal at 1,000 subscribers, by the way. Yeah! Woo! What is that?
What?
Noise. There's scissors or something. Why are they always strapped in like this?
Oh, take it off.
Tape.
Paper.
Yeah. You guys probably have an idea of how I unbox my toys in my some of my videos. By the way, you're gonna be seeing this Metal Sonic real soon. Don't worry about it. You're gonna be seeing the Metal Sonic real soon. I definitely am gonna need some help getting this guy out, though. Check out Metal Sonic. Why are they all strapped down? Get me out of here. Oh, I just did that.
Oh, they got the little wire looking thing on it.
Hey! Sonic the Hedgehog is out of his prison. Oh, that's the tending thing. There it is, the Chaos Emerald. We got Sonic holding his emerald. Time to get the others out of his prison. Yeah, let's make a Sonic. Sorry guys, just had to smack him before he revealed anything. Remember how I did that? Just pulled on it, and eventually it came out.
You can take the bigger part out first. The head. Use the head.
Hands also strapped down. Everything's strapped. Everything has a strap on it. Even Metal Sonic has straps. Oops. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't be doing this in the car, but we've already started.
Hard time.
Got these scissors, but seriously, I can't.
I have to stop to do that.
Oh, I think I did something. Never mind, I did not do anything. No, showing you the action is hard. This is like my second unboxing video. Why does this have to be strapped down? There we go. Alright, Amy, let's try and slip out of here. Mission acquired. Amy Rose the Hedgehog. So now it's time for my metallic boy. Yeah, this video was actually a lot longer than I was expecting it to be. This boy has the elbow joints for extra posability.
Having a hard time there. What?
This is basically the process of me opening every single toy that I get.
What's stuck?
His legs.
His legs?
Yeah.
Oh, they got them wrapped in. Not even like the other ones. Dang. They wrapped in there. I can't do nothing. Look at all this driving here. Hold that part.
We gotta take out the big guns.
You know what?
there without Metal Sonic. That's not like the real reason that we get this 3-pack. There he is, the glorious M Sonic. I don't know how they expected us to go holding his accessory. But anyways, yeah, everyone's out. See you guys in the next one.